Now let us see some kind of quizzes on Java programming. The first question is the method of class graphics that draws a line between 2 points is, the options are 2 point, draw between, put line, and the fourth one is draw line. Here it is a line between 2 points, so answer is draw line. The next question is, when Java is implemented on a given platform, the derived class that is created by which all drawing capabilities are implemented in class. Number 1 is display, remote, monitor. The last one is graphics. Here the answer is graphics. Now let us see the third question. The paint method is seldom called directly by the programmer because drawing graphics is a graphics driven program or event driven program or color driven process or program driven process. Here the answer is graphics driven process. You may be thinking, but really answer is event driven process. The next question is RGB color schemes use 3 colors from which all other colors are derived. The colors used are number A option blue, pink, yellow. The second option rose, green and black. And the third option is red, yellow and green. Final answer is red, green and blue. So the last option red, green, blue is the correct one. Now let us see the fifth question, namely consider the expressions here. So G.setColor bracket new color scheme bracket, the parameters are given 0, 0f, 1, 0f, 0, 0f. Now here the f refers to option A fixed, option B a typographical error, option 3 following, and final option is type float. The answer is the last option, namely type float. The next question is the color constants are static, which means that they are defined when class color is option A loaded into memory at execution time, option B loaded into memory before program begins to exit, option C named at the time of program writing. Here answer is loaded into memory at execution time.